As your business grows, systems that you've always had in place might now not be fit for purpose, and you could be risking your operations. That is why one of our pharmaceutical customers came to us. They were expanding quickly and they'd outgrown the smaller refrigerators that they'd been using. They needed plans for a new larger chill store to hold pharmaceutical stock. MHRA guidelines state that product needs to be stored between 2 and 8 degrees C, so it needs specialist design and in-depth planning. I got to work and created a bespoke solution that was exactly what was required for the business and the space that they had available. We constructed the cold room with insulated walls, doors, ceilings, and because they were on a first floor, it required an insulated floor too. A reinforced PIR modular floor was installed with exterior grade plywood complete with a slip resistant outro finish. We included motion sensing lighting to save energy, along with emergency lighting and electrical mains to the refrigeration systems. The temperature inside needs to be monitored regularly, so we need to be careful with the selection and positioning of the equipment. The door was also equipped with a quality locking fastener and internal panic release for safety, as well as an alarm which triggers after 30 seconds of the door being left open. We put all the equipment on a pay monthly maintenance plan, so the client has peace of mind and complete compliance with the current F-gas regulations. ICE specialists in the niche pharmaceutical refrigeration. We've got loads of experience in MHRA-compliant chill stores and freezers with rooms of all sizes. If you've got a project in mind or need some support with your current setup, get in touch or leave a comment.